Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Warim Gajala Ukondut ke Sangma Ubadiru National President Kasang National People's Party Hakajan Miet Jong Sautrik Ulber Arajar Alpulai Ulayethu Bakajing Smai Benchna Sorkar Thamai Kanong Haka Nyotarik Ulber Arajar Alpulai Haraj Bahawan Hakapor Katwe Bajiamin Step Habakran Halor Kajing Paweng No Kasang Balang Ya Kajing Penyaso Jong ki Armut ki MLA ke HSPDP Bat Kasang NPP Bantau Sorkar Nakalyang Ukondut Ulaong Bayaki MLA Lajit di kipat ba bat kasyong ki MLA bikin syem ya karai palulong bagi seng balang kila bandan ye kajong kamat bat ki kam ibam ya day bat kamat election ulaban rap ru da kabaong bagi seng balang kila day ban kren swaban sedang ke election am dala dap jit kipat ba ya ekonomi kamat komta kidon ki kendon bahab ban bud ha ka bay day bat kaman snai ka sorkar bat kin bud bay ya kita ki kendon.
Swearing in will be on the 7th and I have received the letter from the Honorable Governor inviting me to form the government, and the swearing in will be on the 7th at 11 a.m. here in the Raj Bhavan, and we are expecting Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister and other leaders to attend the swearing in ceremony.
Sir, there are reports that the swearing in will be at Polo grounds.
No, the swearing is going to be here in Raj Bhavan.
Well, how many now you have?
So with the 32 members, our MLAs are supporting this government.
We have seen NGOs asking the HSPDP MLAs to withdraw support from your party, sir.
The MLAs have been elected by the people of the constituency, and hence it is the mandate of the people.
Yes, good.
And therefore the MLAs will then decide who they want to support. So NGOs may have their own concerns and other issues, but that's separate from election mandate.
Well, HSPDP has sent a letter to you withdrawing support. So what is?
That is the political party which has sent the letter, but it is the parliamentary party and the legislative party which is the main signature support, and both the MLAs have submitted the letter of support to us.
The whole cabinet will be sworn in, or the?
Yes, the whole cabinet will be sworn. MLAs will take oath on Monday.
Any initiatives to ensure that law and order is not disrupted?
Yeah, all steps are being taken to ensure that law and order is disrupted.
So what is the combination of the councils of ministers?
We'll come with that in a few days.
What is the name of the alliance, sir?
We'll come with that as soon as we
How many deputy CMs will be there in your?
We'll come with all of that information in time.
Habakran halor kajing wiang ding ki katu kani kibri ya kaslam trai kam jo ba Methodist khar na kalyang ukondrat lapan rem halor kate kajing ja paulong bakade kabamla satyaban priang shu laban rap rakaba ong bakom kini kajing ja 4 GE hakajala Meghalaya hakajo kapor ukondrat la ong ru ba an pet perman bala buru ya kibri ban khmi ban pentikana makanam dan kahuri hura.
That this kind of incident has happened. In fact, it is very sad also to see that this is the kind of behavior we are seeing, which Meghalaya has never seen before. Meghalaya has always believed in democracy. We have always accepted the mandate of the people, and this election has given the mandate, and people have elected the representatives, and based on a democratic process, this government is being formed. And now coming out and creating this kind of violence has never been seen in Meghalaya. And I'm sure the people of Meghalaya are not with this kind of behavior that we are seeing, and this is something that is completely unacceptable.
Sir, today also violence was, protest was witnessed in Shillong, and what steps are being taken to ensure the law
All
and
the
order?
steps are being taken. We have sufficient manpower, and every deployment has been done. In fact, these different meetings that were taking place, that has been there. Almost every area which they went to for permission, all have denied permission to them to have meetings, saying that the election is over, the mandate has been given. There's not the time to now have rallies about all of these things. So therefore, it's a clear indication that this kind of activities that are taking place by these individuals is at a personal level.
So what?
Political parties.
Yes, it's true that other parties have reached out, and we are in discussions with other political parties also. But the details of that I cannot disclose as of now. But I'm sure you must be getting the information. But political parties have contacted us.
Sir, what about this demand for Khalsa Chief Minister?
You see, the important point is that we are in a democracy. and it is the people who give the mandate. And there is a procedure and system in which government is formed and chief minister is elected. And that procedure has been followed. And therefore, yes, sentiments are always there. But ultimately, a process that has been defined is there. It's not about a person individually from a particular community has to be there or should not be there. That is not how democracy works. It is based on the mandate which is given to the people, given by the people. And it is based on that mandate that elected members have been elected, and the elected members then elect a leader. So that process has been followed. So I think this is not the issue is something that, yes, as I said, sentiments are there, but ultimately it is the mandate of the people and which we should all accept.
So
How
what
will
are the
you ensure the government is stable with just 32 MLAs?
Well, it all depends on how we work. We have seen in the last 5 years we faced a large number of challenges, and yet by ensuring that there was good teamwork, by ensuring that we gave everybody their space and motivated everybody and gave a lot of stress on development, all these aspects helped us to make sure that we were able to take and survive and run the government for 5 years in spite of having large number of political parties. So it's always challenging to run a coalition government, but we will do our best to ensure that all the partners are given the space and ensure that there is a lot of consultancy taking place whenever we take important discussions, and we'll carry the team along with us.
So
To come, we may also see the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam coming, and as of now, we expect these two leaders to come, and maybe we might see other leaders also.
So what are the protesters up to? What is the motive?
It's them that.
No, I mean like the voice of the tree of Punyothrep or something. Do you think that, I mean, is it necessary for them to come and interfere into the political
Formation of the government.
Yeah.
Well, exactly. That's what you just said is absolutely correct. There is a way and a process in which government is elected. It has been done for decades in our state and for many, many decades throughout the country and throughout the world. And therefore, if there was anything that had to be said, it should have been said during the election time. That is when the campaign takes place. That is when you hold the rallies. But once a mandate is given, the people of Meghalaya and the people of the country have always accepted whatever mandate has been given, and accordingly they move forward. So therefore, this kind of program we have taken has been something that is completely unacceptable, as I said, and Meghalaya has never seen it. It's very sad and very unfortunate.